First, I want to thank HashKey for inviting me here. I'm Zoe, and I'm one of the co-founders of DataverseOS. And DataverseOS is a data network to power next-generation personal computers and support sovereign data dApps. So the problem today is to help individuals take back the control of their personal data and break free from those centralized platforms. And finally, we want to reshape the internet around users. So to achieve this goal, DataverseOS brings a brand new data paradigm. It starts with the data wallet extension, and the whole operating system will be running inside the extension. And once you install it, you turn your browser into a sovereign computer. And in this computer, you'll be able to interact with various applications. And the difference from Web 2 is instead of your data being fragmented across different app servers, now you can have them all together in your private cloud drive, and all applications will be revolving around you because they need your consent for accessing your data. So to achieve this, we need an operating system that acts as a transparent computing client from user side, and it's designed to be managing protocols, resources, files, and providing user interface and all the necessary security measures. So once you regain the ownership of your data, you can monetize it then. We are creating a new type of on-chain asset and a global economy that should power individuals to earn from the data. And our system is actually built around the data vault extension and a decentralized cloud-based storage. But the whole system look like, actually, we've identified 3 key problems the system addresses to show what does the whole system look like. So the first question is how to ensure data visibility. And this means how to ensure that users can get access to the data anywhere, anytime, because today, actually, we can only access our data through some specific channels. For example, if you want to look back at a tweet you sent 1 year ago, you need to go to x.com, right? You need to search through the history posts. And we are thinking like, what if for every tweet you created, you can have a copy of it stored as a file in your Dataverse cloud in a decentralized private data space on the cloud, just like a local file on a computer, and just like you own it like a paper note in real life, physically. So if it goes that way, you can access it anytime, anywhere. And this is exactly how DataverseOS works. We create a file wrapper with general APIs for each data stream you generate. And since our cloud storage is decentralized and it's unstoppable, so your files will always be available and you can retrieve them from any devices, and you can even run your own node to store your data. And the second problem is how to ensure that your wallet has full control over your data and your data can be portable with a wallet. So this is why we designed Data Wallet. It's built entirely on the sign-in with the Ethereum standard. And it creates a simple process that users encrypt their data first using secret keys, and then they store these keys in a decentralized key management service. And when users want to access their data, want to retrieve back, they verify their identity by signing a message with their EVM accounts. And this allows them to retrieve the secret keys and then access the data. So this process enables crypto wallets to be able to manage users' token, not only token assets, but also data assets. And we believe this could open up a world of possibilities for wallet usage. And the third problem is how can we empower applications? Because after all, applications are the sources of user data. Today, search engines like Google and social platforms like Twitter generate terabytes of data every day. So we need to support applications to incentivize the production of data. And DataverseOS serves as an out-of-the-box development platform because we offer services and tools to help developers build, deploy, and manage their decentralized applications, including we are providing a suite of tools, including decentralized databases, the authentication solution, the cloud storage, and distributed computing. And we want to make each application have its own isolated, safe data sandbox because we believe a completely open data network where data from different applications are mixed together and has no access control or no permissions mechanism is not suitable for actual building. We still need certain level of autonomy for building applications. So Dataverse Cloud is not a Web3 version of Google Drive, but it's more like a hyper storage over applications, a collection of independent application spaces and similar to Firebase. So it maintains application capabilities and restricts the behavior between applications. Okay, so we're talking about empowering applications. So next part, we are actually providing developers with our SDK to help build user-centric applications. And to expand our ecosystem, we have partnered with developer DAOs and hackathons globally, and we have sponsored events like Rome, Taipei, HackFS, and more hack events. And we are actually hosting our own hackathon series called Rebuild Ownership. And the first one has been successfully concluded in July, and the second one is set to launch next month. We have got support from projects like Filecoin, Ceramic Network, Lead Protocol, PSE, Phoenix, Tableland, and many other leading Web3 projects. And our developer community has been developing a wide range of applications on our test network, such as ebooks, dating applications, social network, tours of sorts, and more. And these works are truly fascinating. And last, I want to talk about the one more thing that is what we are, this is ongoing work and more details will be public soon in the future, in the near future. So this is about why data ownership is so crucial in our system, because we believe taking back the ownership of data is just the first step. And our vision, let's say our ultimate vision, is to help individuals monetize their internet data. Because currently the challenge lies in the challenge is, bridging the gap between off-chain personal data, because most of our data are off-chain, and on-chain smart contracts, because the transaction, the exchange need to be happened on-chain. And we are fixing this by building a middleware network for trustless data exchange to connect distributed storage with smart contracts, so on-chain programs can verify the authenticity of your off-chain files. And we believe this can turn our data into a new class of crypto assets that you can sell. You can sell the access rights, you can sell the ownership, and there will be various forms of monetization, such as data NFTs, data unions, data connections, or even data DAOs to monetize the people's data together. And with this functionality of data monetization, I think our operating system is going to introduce a cool new module that will let users make money from their online activities. It can help users manage and analyze their browsing history and bookmarks, and highlighting their actions on web pages to figure out their personal preferences. And this information can then be transformed into trustable and programmable data sources on the blockchain. And applications can use this data to offer you personalized content and personalized experiences. We want to make it easy for developers to create applications with token-gated secret content, just like Friend.tech. And these applications should be super flexible, so you can mix and match them however you want, and you can even build DataFi and DEX upon these applications. Okay, so we have been making amazing progress in attracting developers and expanding our ecosystem. We have received support from over 20,000 Bitcoin donators who believe in our mission, and more than 40 ecosystem applications are in development now, and we have seen a rapid growth in the past 4 months. We have over 700 hackathon developers actively building on our testnet. And note that we are just getting started. So yeah. So finally, I want to talk about our team. Our team is very technical. We get started from winning at Wanxiang blockchain, and we went through Filecoin Frontier Accelerator, and we are invested by Protocol Labs, HashKey Capital, UB Capital, Funbush Capital, and more top players in Web3. So if you are interested in what we are doing, what we are building, welcome to contact me. And if you have any questions, please feel free to send out in Q&A channel. Yeah, that's all. Thank you.